Welcome on Maligne Lake in Jasper National Park. Out of curiosity, is it your first time here today? Just raise your hand if it's your first time. Okay, okay, if it's your first time, raise your hand then. Not your first time, raise your hand. Okay, perfect. So, welcome for the first one and welcome for the people that are coming back. So, before I get too far, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Valerie, or you can call me Val. Fine with me. This is my first year in Maligne Lake, and today will be your guide. And to be honest, every time I go out there, I'm really amazed. And today is an exceptional day, guys. Look at that. Almost like this. And actually, to be honest, I just did it myself, but on a scale, I'm pretty low, guys. You don't really need me. I'm really close to the floor. You guys are really important here. So on top of that, we do have a life raft. And so if anything has to happen to this vessel today, I would just actually jump on the roof. Yeah, I would jump on the roof, take this life up in the water with my strong legs. After it will self-inflate, and we will all go from this boat to the life raft before our first two, okay? And just so you know, in 93 years, we never had to use the life raft, the emergency, anything, okay? So you're in really good hands today, okay? This one was burning during 2 weeks. It was one of the biggest fire burning in the time I came up here. I didn't know, no worries. And it was so fast because up here, for your own safety, okay? And if you go out there, you ask to limit this space to 8 people at a time, and please be mindful for everyone, so don't stay out there forever, just so everyone can just go out there and enjoy this amazing place. And yeah, close the door behind you. There is just one moment you cannot go out there, this is when we are talking about, and I will let you know at this moment, okay? So that's it for the safety briefing, guys. So from now on, you can open, close the windows, and you can go out there, use the back deck. Really nice place to be. Do we have any questions? No questions? Perfect. You may by following to continue our path. Okay? Oh, and if you look on the right hand side, guys, we have a passage land that looks quite different from the other ones, right? Any guesses what happened there? Exactly. So here we have the movement of the first fire that happened here. 300 here, 300 here, we have a 300 here. Usually people like to double. Usually people say like this. The iconic picture that you see everywhere, is actually taken from this little crossway that you can see in the back. You can see trail, and this is where you can take this like iconic picture that you see everywhere up Spirit Island. But guys, don't look too much at Spirit Island because you're gonna miss the view on the other side, which is the real reason why we're doing it here. And Mary Jasper was calling this the Hall of the Gods because she thought that maybe if the gods were to come on earth, they will come sit here on each of the thrones. And I'm going to ask you guys to remain seated because I'm going to get these guys inside because we're going to take the boat right there, okay? Yeah, I'm going to get everyone inside to the boat part. Okay guys, so we will be at Spirit Island for 15 minutes, so 1-5. But no worries, you don't need to keep track of the time because we will sound the horn when you need to come back, okay? And just come back when you hear the horn, please come back to the Kulana with sound and valve. And this is how it's going to work. So we're going to sound the horn once, please come back. Twice means please start running. And 3, I hope you have a sleeping bag. Please, I'm kidding guys, please come back to the first horn, we're just going to do one. And here you can see the island. I do ask you guys don't try to step on Spirit Island because it's a sacred place for the Stony people. And I will talk about that on the way back. Also, there is a hiking forest start, so I would be really impressed if you lose yourself, okay? For myself, I will be on the dock, guys, so even if you have any questions, would like any pictures, I'm a really good photographer, by the way. Can take some pictures for you guys. And yes, for the docking part, I'd like everyone to remain seated because my captain needs to see me at the back. I'm going to be like this, like this, like this. No, I'm kidding. And also, if I fall in the water, I would like him to know, but it's not going to happen, no worries. I hope so. And yeah, I'm going to be the first one to get out. The captain will be the second one, and he will let you know when you can disembark safely, okay guys? Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oh, yay. Too bad the trees on that island are dying, eh?
Yeah. Pine beetle. Yeah, pretty soon there's going to be.
Oh, yung museum na naman.
Hey, stay on the path, kids.
You guys are fast. You did the loop twice? Yeah. You need a fancy at some point. Maybe here too. That's my favorite.
Yeah, let's get everyone together. First, go take a shot. Picture of you. Quick, and then we'll take. Right there, not on the edge of that.
Okay, watch it, Susan. Take it the whole time.
Tu Izzy.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, because your jacket's in it.
No,
Oh. Then why?
because it's my bag.